Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the effect function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is pretty simple, and its goal is to return the effective annual interest rate given the nominal annual interest rate and the number of compounding periods. So we will have only two arguments inside of this function, and the goal here is really to receive the effective annual interest rate. So the way this function works will be based on the formula just right here, and to be able to run this function is pretty simple. So we'll start with an equal sign. So I'm going to run my function right here. So we'll start by writing down equal, and then what we can do is simply write down effect. Once we have written down effect, we can open up our parentheses, and the first argument will be the nominal rate. So in our case, the nominal rate is simply the interest rate that will be used. So in our case, it's going to be 4%. Once we have it, the next step is to have n peri, which will simply be the number of compounding periods. So in our case right here, it's going to be 8. So it's going, we are going to have 8 compounding periods that we are going to calculate with. And then once it's all done, we can simply click on enter, and just like that, we know that this will be the interest rate, the nominal interest rate that will be that we're going to have based on the following arguments. So we can put it in the format of interest rate simply by clicking right here, and we can add some numbers after the comma simply by clicking right here. So we know it's going to be 4.0707%. So this is how we use the effect function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can check out my courses in the link down below. And besides of that, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.